Hi friends, this is Mona with Rock City Tumblers, and today I was going to show you some options for refills for the Ink Joy gel pens. So everyone has been doing the epoxy and the glitter on the pens. This is one of them. If you haven't already watched, I have a tutorial showing how to do this and how to take it all apart, put the glitter on there and put it back together, put things like that. I also have some tutorials for how to do a pencil design on those, as well as how to do a bling. If you're into rhinestones, how to do a bling pencil design, or how to just put bling on there. So refills, that's what we're going to talk about today. So these are the set of the colored, they come in black also. This came from Walmart. And so the pens look like this. When you get them, they come apart, this end screws off, and you can replace the ink in them. So this is what the ink inside looks like. This right here. Just a little tube. There's a spring that comes in there that you need to keep and use it when you replace the ink. So I've been using the Energel. This is what the Energel pen looks like. It's from Pentel. This one fits. This is what the Energel looks like. And I get the refills. I think they're about 75 cents each on Amazon. And they're coming black or blue. You can pick which order. This is probably like a 10-pack here. And I will put the link to those refills in the description of the video. And I also just got these in today. These are the Sharpie S Gel pens. And these are actually a little bit fatter on the tip. These are 1.0 size tip. And these are 0.7. Let's see if it says it on the front anywhere. They're medium point. Right there, 0.7. So if you like a little bit fatter pen, which I do, I like my ink to be pretty thick, the Sharpie S gels are great. There's no smell like a real Sharpie would be. This is ink. So this is what the inside of one of those looks like. And I just tested it inside of my Ink Joy, and it works. So I'll put links in the descriptions for all of this. So you have some options if you can't find a refill. Because I actually have not been able to find the refill for the PaperMate Ink Joy. So that's why I've been using the Pentel Energy. There's also Azteca brand that other people have been using. And I'll put a link to that too. I have not purchased that because I've had the Pentel ones. So if you need those links, I'll put all those in the comments. Thanks, guys. Have fun with your pens, and if you find any more refill options, feel free to put them in the comments for your fellow crafters. Y'all have a great day. Bye.